if you heard about Rollercoin and you're confused how it's work, I was like you a week ago. I searched on YouTube for any tutorial. I didn't find any good ones, so I decided to make one myself. So if you're lost, welcome to the full tutorial of Rollercoin. Okay, so first, what is Rollercoin? Like it told you, it's a virtual mining game where you can get miners mine you, or you play games to earn this mining power. My power, if is the mining power you are mining right now, the network power right here, it's what coin you can mine, and when the coin got a lower number right here, it will be better to mine it. It will give you more coin. And right here it's the block reward. It's basically, it will tell you for this amount and this coin it will get you around this number every 10 minutes. For me, I get around this number every 10 minutes. I got these 3 miners right here, where each of one of them give me 150 giga. I just got them from playing the game for free. I didn't spend 1 penny on the game till now. It will give you 150 giga hash, the one. So as you can see on the screen right now, this is the placement of the values in the game. The PH is the bigger one. After that is the H8, and TH and GH is the lower one. So you got games right here. First thing, when you enter the game section, we see the PC level right here. The PC have level up. You should win around 45 games, I believe, till you get the max PC power right here. And what this PC is different than the first one is that you can hold the power you got from playing for 7 days. So I will draw you, like, I'm not the best at drawing, but on screen now you see how it works. So the stake is the first day you make 10 terahash. When you make the second day, you will keep the first 10 terahash, and the new one will be added up to the old ones, and take that for the rest of the week. Now when you reach 7 days, the 7th days, your first one disappear, but the rest stays. And this is algorithm stays every day. You earn, but you lost what you did from a week ago. When you have the max level PC, they are 4 levels. The first one, it will last 1 day. The second one, 3 days. Third one, 5 days, and the last one, 97 days, the max one. Now these are the games. Every game, if you click on it, you see how much it gives you. Every game you played it. For example, I played this game. It will increase difficulty with time and increase reward, but the difficulty resets in the next day, so you don't need to panic or worry if you're max level in a game. It will not be hard forever. And for the best games you can play, I will make a video on this in the future, so keep subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it out. I will rank them from the best to worst. And here is the marketplace where you can buy miners for this RLT coin, which is the main coin of the game, when you can purchase anything in game, and you can mine it as well, or buy it for the crypto. And but I prefer mining it, and these are the miners where you buy. Before we continue the video, I will make an advertisement for myself. If you're new to the game and you just started, use my link down below to play the game, please. It will be a huge support to the channel, and you will get free 1000 Satoshi if you use the link down below. Now returning from where we are, all these miners you can buy with RLT. They are bad actually. The small ones are really bad. Don't get close to them like at all. They are really bad. Right here, the big ones, I don't know, I didn't try them, but they are not worthy because you have other things. Now you got, I will explain later. Loot boxes. Right now we only have one loot box, but in events it will unlock others want to buy. This one you spend 5 RLT and give you RLT back. It's gambling. Don't do it. Gambling is really bad. You will lose all your money. Don't try. You buy racks. Racks is the thing that you put your rigs on that mine for you. You need to game at least one game per day to keep your PC level full and keep your miners working, because they cost energy when you have miners. So you need to press recharge here, right here, electricity. So you need to be active to the game every day, even if you have the best miners in the world. But the e-pass, now we are in season 6. We are basically, he started yesterday. From now also you can purchase the exclusive or the premium for 100 RLT. It will give you the exclusive miners, the gold miner. It's basically a battle pass. If you play video games on PlayStation or a mobile phone or whatever, it's like a battle pass. You can get the free rewards, or you level up by completing quests, gaining XP. And yeah, that was basically a quick tutorial on the basics of the game, everything you need to know before starting, because I really didn't find one good tutorial out here on YouTube, so I made one. So if you want to support me, please, I said it twice, but use my reference link. It will really help me. And subscribe to the channel to see future videos related about Rollercoin. This was with you. See you in another video. Goodbye.